No. The strip, yeah.
See, what has happened is there is a National Road Safety Month.
Yeah.
So we have been observing it from 28th of January to the 29th of February. The idea is to try and give a boost to all the local village panchayat road safety committees. Now what happens, this is a very new thing. Many of the panchayats have formed it, some are still forming it. What is our approach is that at least if we stand shoulder to shoulder with the traffic police, some places we have done also with Director of Transport, it sends a message to the people that certain things about road safety are all personal decisions. Wearing your seat belt, wearing a ISI mark helmet, putting a strap, these are very personal decisions everybody has to take. But it requires a mind change, it requires a behavioral change. So that is a very slow process. We would like to hasten it by doing this type of actions. Like for example, today morning we were in Perne at the government college. The reason we went there is because of that accident at Hermal. The student who died in that accident is a first year student. So today with the NSS volunteers and students under our Consumer Welfare Club cell, we had that action in the morning with a message to all the students to go back and tell their parents that the times are changing. We have got a new Motor Vehicle Act. You see, today the fine which was 100 rupees has become 500. 500 has become 1000. 1000 has become 5000. So a lot of changes have happened. The rules have become stricter. So people need to understand the changing scenario. And as you can see, we are here at Kalangut. It's a tourist destination. So we would like that tourists who come to Goa, even to Kalangut, have a safe holiday. You see, and therefore they need to understand that while they holiday, they have to do certain things which are very basic and necessary. For example, when you take a rent a bike, you should wear a proper helmet. You should strap it. So these are simple things that we would like the messaging to go. And every tourist who rides safely, drives safely, goes home with a message that Goa is a safe destination. Yesterday's accidents you have seen is horrifying, and we are losing 3 persons in a day. And that too in a very, which I would say, very difficult circumstances. You see the man who has died, thrown off the Mandavi bridge yesterday. He's a family man, he's got small children. Okay, yeah. He has been by an oncoming rent a cab. So, we want people to realize that these are very serious matters. You cannot drive on the wrong side of the road, that too on a bridge, which has taken the life of one person but has devastated a family. So our messaging today, though it's just a 2 hour or 1.5 hour action, we want that more such actions happen and local residents start joining, like our friends here today who are traffic wardens. This is a scheme of the traffic police. Yeah. Anybody who is 18 years of age can join, become a traffic warden and help the smooth flow of traffic and encourage people to drive safely. Today the major problem is that we are finding people throwing all caution to the wind. This is not bad. Of course, if I tell you today what we have seen in Perne, horrible. Condition of the road is bad. Service roads have no signage. Very sad thing what we have seen today. Kalangut needs lot of improvement. There are lots of signages. But to the quantum of tourists that are there, we require more signages. We require CCTV cameras here. So, all in all, the village panchayat will be able to take appropriate decisions through the village road safety and traffic management committee. And we are confident that these small actions, they are like drops in the ocean. But I will tell you, in the last month that we have been going all over, we were at Kurka with the panchayat there. We were in the Varga flyover, various places. And we are beginning to see that a lot of people are appreciating that we are reminding them. So many people thumbs up, so many people saying thank you, because they have realized that these things they have forgotten. Somebody is reminding them. And that is where hopeful that this small action in Kalangut today will go a long way in promoting road safety and traffic management.